What's up, beauties, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I bronze, blush, and highlight my face, the way I use those things to bring structure, warmth, and even some slimming aspects to my face. So if you are new to those things or you already know what you're doing, today's video is good for you if you just want to see maybe a different type of technique, different product. And we're going to be showing you guys what high-end products I normally use, as well as good drugstore alternatives or more affordable options. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to show you guys what I do to make this face look the way it does, and if you guys are interested and want to see, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I start off with is my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is an older version, so it will look a little bit different. I'm in the shade Medium Deep Tan, and I have learned recently that I need a smaller brush because my face is a little bit smaller, and when I use big brushes it all just kind of goes everywhere and not what I'm looking for. So I will get some bronzer on there and go right under the cheekbones and start from the outside and go towards my mouth. So you can see we are just already really defining the cheekbones and giving a more structured, slimmer look while also bringing warmth to your face. Bronzer is one of my absolute favorite steps ever for all of those reasons, mostly because especially right now when I'm super pale, in my opinion, this is going to give me some type of warmth to my face even if the rest of me is not insanely tan. Then also I will do the perimeter of my forehead, and this is a big reason why I needed a smaller brush. So if you feel like you're getting your whole entire forehead bronzed when you really just want the top portion, get a smaller, slimmer brush and it will be more precise, obviously. While I'm doing this, I just want to tell you guys a quick little story of what just happened to me before I did this. Literally, I waited like 15 minutes to start the video because I was putting on lashes and I put on the Ardell Naked lashes. They're very subtle, very natural. These are clearly not. These are actually Tarte ones, and I like them. Very good quality, but I really wanted a natural lash. And I put one on, glue and all, ready to go, and I could not find the other one. Literally looking for 15 minutes and I could not find the other lash, so I had to switch them out for some very dramatic lashes, and that's that. So I've got some harsh lines, and what I will do is just do even bigger circular motions and just blend that out. So just personal opinion, I do kind of like that harsh line because then it really defines the cheekbone, and when I do carry it up, then I do have more of a contour and the bronzing effect going both ways. So another thing I do with my bronzer, you can skip it or do it, is put it down here on the jawline, and it's going to make that look even a little bit more slimmer. So if you're not into that, you don't want a structured look, then skip that step. You see, I feel like it's just a little bit too harsh over there, and that happens. We all make mistakes, especially when you're first figuring out how to do the contouring and whatnot. I will take a clean brush and just really go over that, and you do want to go upward because you don't want to bring that color down, because then it's just a blah and takes away from all of the things we're trying to do here. Regardless of messing up or not, I will typically take that clean brush and do that because then it really just smooths everything out even more. Also, what I will do is pinch my brush, quick little nose contour. You can get more defined, get a smaller brush, but I will do that, and that's good enough for me. And then I will just buff out the sides. Also, what I wanted to mention were drugstore options. So Too Faced is going to be more expensive, but if you are just starting out or you want just a cheaper option, I really like the City bronzer, and very comparable. Obviously drugstore is going to be a little bit different, but it's still very good bronzer. City bronzer by Maybelline. Next, which I've been doing a little bit differently, going with my Becca Champagne Pop, my all-time favorite, and I've been doing highlight before blush because I want more of a diffused highlight lately, and going over it with the blush will diffuse it a little bit. Side note, an affordable option would be the Morphe in shade Spark. It is so insanely pigmented and works so well, so that is a dupe for one of these guys if you want to stay in a more affordable range. So I'm going to use this fluffy brush because I'm not really going so precise, and you're going to go ahead and highlight the cheekbones, and then I will put it on the bridge of my nose and the tip. I'll put a little bit there on just really all the high points on my face. So that's really all I'm doing for highlight, because it is going to look a little bit more natural. As you can see, it's not like a blinding highlight, which I like that as well, just not today. Next, I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm going to use my MAC blush. I don't know the shade of it, honestly. I'm going to have to figure that out because it's my all-time favorite. And I also do have a more affordable option, not drugstore, but more affordable, is the Tarte Amazonian Clay one. That one works really well too, just a little bit less pigmented. So what I do is go ahead and just kind of stamp it in there, and then I'm going to do the same thing on my cheeks and stamp it in. Again, preference, I like to focus my blush more at the top because it's going to give you more of a slimming look. If I feel like it's not enough color, then I will bring it to the apples of my cheeks, but I like to keep it more up there and then kind of on my temples, and that's going to give you a more slimming look. To make it look a little bit more natural, you do add some to your nose, add some to your forehead, and that is just a more natural look than the extreme color on your cheeks. See, I feel like I just need a little bit more, so I'm going to bring it down a little bit. But again, if I just really wanted to look all snatched and slim, I would just focus it up there. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that clean brush that I was using and just kind of blend everything together. Obviously, the rest of my face makeup was already done, so all I'm going to do is take my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and go ahead and set my face, and that's it. So like I said, for me it's super simple because I've been doing it literally like every single day. Today is a little bit more amped up because I do plan on going to dinner with Nick, hopefully, fingers crossed. As a couple and as parents especially, I think date nights are so crucial. So planning to do that, hopefully. Nick doesn't know, surprise, but hopefully my dad can watch the kiddos and me and Nick can go out and just spend our time together. But, so yeah, you guys, you let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, if you saw a new product you want to try or a new technique you want to try. If you totally never contoured before or highlighted, blush, all those things, it's a nice way to just add an extra step to feel a little bit more, you know, glamorous or beautiful that day. So yeah, let me know if you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. I should hopefully be back with videos a lot closer together, more often, more frequently. You guys just let me know what you want to see. I will catch you all in my next video.